When most people are asked to picture someone quiet or shy, they picture someone meek and lacking in confidence. But that isn't always the case. In fact, you can be quiet while still radiating massive confidence and commanding respect from the people around you. In this video, I'm going to share 4 tricks you can use to be charismatic without needing to be loud or over the top. But before we dive into the first trick, I want to let you in on a secret tip that I'll share at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around till the end. Alright, let's start with an area many quiet people struggle with: how to grab and hold attention in conversation. This is often difficult for quiet people as they end up talked over by the louder people in the group. For instance, here's a great example of how Will Smith grabs hold of a conversation simply by being the loudest. Now, my question to you is, have you ever found yourself in a similar situation where you were talked over? How did you handle it? There's nothing wrong with enthusiastically chiming in if you have something you want to say. But if you're quiet, your voice on its own may not be enough to command the group's attention. Luckily, there's a trick you can steal from Keanu Reeves to make sure you don't get ignored. Now, I'm curious to know if you've ever tried using hand gestures to capture someone's attention while speaking. Did it work? By taking up space with your hands while you speak, you signal that even though you're speaking quietly, you deserve to be heard. There's another trick you can use if you're speaking quietly. If you want to hold someone's attention, hold their eye contact. Do you think holding eye contact works wonders at conveying confidence and keeping someone engaged? Let me know in the comments. Now, the last common mistake most quiet people make when speaking is they take big S at the ends of their sentences. This leaves you vulnerable to being cut off. Instead, make sure to take your S mid-sentence. Have you ever noticed this about yourself? Do you think taking mid-sentence S could make you a more captivating speaker? So, those are the 4 tricks you can use to be charismatic without needing to be loud or over the top. And now, as promised, here's the secret tip. Practice these tricks in front of a mirror or with a friend and record yourself to watch your progress. This will help you improve your speaking skills and boost your confidence. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which trick you're most excited to try. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without